18, right?
18.
Awesome. So let's see here. So we are ready. Action! I have to say that. All right. So this is August 18th. We are still in Stowe. 1 week left. Not for you guys. Probably the next time I see you guys will be in Lancaster, if it's still there. No, I'm just kidding. No, it's still there. All right. So we did a review of what we did 2 weeks ago, and then we did some new stuff. So we did, what did we do? We did the Cucaracha cross.
Yeah.
We did,
The turns.
oh, the turns. That's right. We only did one of the turns, but we did the left turn for the ladies. So what we did was, we can do this off of a crossover. 1, 2, 3. We can do it from an underarm turn here. And then we're gonna go into a left turn. So here the gentleman will check forward, she turns, 2, 3, 4, and then we did a walk around turn. Okay, so it looks like this. We have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cool. Yeah, we definitely keep our feet apart on that. I like that better. All right. So the other thing we did was the Cucaracha cross. Oh, we did the free spin for the gentleman and for the lady. So we have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So when the guy's doing the turn, what does the lady do?
Regular, a basic.
Basic. Yes. What do I do? So we'll do that again, and I'll show the ladies part on that. So we're starting from a closed position. So we have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. You feel comfortable doing the turn?
The lady.
Yeah. Okay, she's gonna do her turn. Yeah. Okay. So after I do my turn, I'm gonna say she's gonna do the turn. Okay. So I'm gonna go. I did mine. Now give her, there we go, good. Very nice. And then we just keep moving from there, okay? So we'll break that down. It's exactly the same as the leader's turn. The only difference is you're doing on the second half of the full measure. So you have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. All right? And then we did the Cucaracha crosses. A couple ways in which we can do it. We can do it from a closed position, two-hand position, shadow position, right? So we're basically gonna go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We also did it where we're just doing our own solo thing, okay? So we can come out of our basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And then we did it where we went into a shadow position or a side by side, depending on what we want. Remember, this is choreographed practice. Don't try this at home. No, don't try this with someone you don't know because it may not work out. Okay, so we're basically going from a basic to a handshake hold. So we do 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Once I go into the handshake hold, I do a back break, she does a back break, and what I do is I lead her as I hold the step next to me. Now her left foot is free, my left foot is free, okay? From here, we do our Cucaracha step, we do 1, 2, cross, and when I do it, I'm going to give myself a little bit more space so that I'm actually side by side so my follower knows what I'm actually doing. Okay? We'll do one more hold. From there, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have her step forward and do the opposite. Let's do it this way. Have her step forward doing the opposite with her left foot. So her left foot is now free. Her left foot's free. Left foot. Okay. You're going to go, yep, you're going to go, no, left foot.
Oh, sorry.
There you go. Yep, ready? So you have 1, 2, three. Go back on one. There you go. And then 1, 2, 3. So it looks a little bit like this. So she's just finished the last two. So she's done her Cucaracha cross here. Good. You had it right. That was good. Okay. You're going to go left, right, left. And all we do to leave that, because I'm going to reattach, is ask the lady by taking my hand, 1, 2, 3. I hold while she does that, then we go back into our basic, and we're back in. Very, very nice. Thank you very much. I'll see you guys 2 weeks. Thank you. Thanks, Pat. You're the best.